Hello friends, today I am going to start your new chapter of Maths 2. Chapter 1 Commission, Brokerage and Discount. So in this chapter there are two different concepts. First part which is based on commission and brokerage, and second part which is based on discount. So we'll discuss discount during the next exercise 1.2. For your first exercise, we must know the concept of commission and brokerage. Now, first we discuss some important terms. The very first term, which is known as agent. So we must know who is agent. So very clear thing, agent is a person who works on behalf of his principal. Principal means owner. So means here agent is doing work on behalf of his principal. Agent may be sell your goods, buy your goods. Maybe he may gather prospects, buyers and sellers. And on behalf of his work, he is getting commission. And commission is always in the form of percentage. So it is clear that who is agent? Agent is a person who works on behalf of his principal. Principal means owner. Now, is this all works of agents are same? No, because there are some different types of agents also. Very first agent, who is known as commission agent. Commission agent means agent who either sell or purchase goods on behalf of his principal, and that agent is getting commission from one side. That means के owner, जो principal था business का owner था, owner ने उसको commission pay किया होगा. So this commission agent is getting commission for his work and getting commission from one party, means only the owner. Second, broker. See, broker is also a type of agent and who charge commission, but here for broker we use the different word which is known as brokerage. Broker who charge commission, it is known as brokerage, and brokerage is getting from both the parties. See, commission agent is getting commission from one party, owner. Broker is getting commission from both the parties, buyer as well as seller. That's why his income, his commission is known as brokerage. Third one, factor. Factor is an agent who purchases, मतलब क्या करता है factor, who buy product from one party and sells it to another party. तो वो क्या करेगा, एक पार्टी से ऑलरेडी प्रोडक्ट बाई कर लेगा एंड वो प्रोडक्ट थर्ड पार्टी यानी कि दूसरी पार्टी को सेल कर देगा. ही इज फैक्टर. अनदर वन, ऑक्शनर. ऑक्शनर इज गेटिंग कमीशन फॉर द हाईएस्ट सेल. यहां पे एक वर्ड यूज होता है बिड. ऑक्शनर का एक सिंपल मीनिंग भी है नीलामी करना, एंड वो ऑक्शनिंग में वो ऑक्शनर को हाईएस्ट प्राइस पे प्रोडक्ट को सेल करवाना. जितना ज्यादा हाईएस्ट प्राइस होगा वो प्राइस का सेलिंग प्राइस होगा, और वो सेल प्राइस पे ही इज गेटिंग कमीशन एंड दैट एजेंट इज नोन एज ऑक्शनर. अनदर वन इज द डेल ट्रेडर एजेंट. सी, इन योर सिलेबस वी हैव कमीशन एजेंट, broker and Del Trader agent. Here just we are discussing the different type, but Del Trader agent is getting commission for two parts. First commission because he sell our goods. So selling के लिए जो commission मिलेगा that is called Del Trader, मतलब selling commission. Second commission is for guarantee. डेल ट्रेडर एजेंट क्या करेगा, उसने जो प्रोडक्ट सेल करवाया है वो सेल्स के लिए सेलिंग का कमीशन तो लेगा बिकॉज उसने सेल करवाया. सेकेंड थिंग, ही चार्ज वन मोर पार्ट ऑफ कमीशन बिकॉज he is giving guarantee of payment also. So Del Trader agent they are charging two times. First, सेल या परचेज का यानी कि सेलिंग का चार्जेस. सेकेंड, गारंटी. So Dell Trader agent, they are getting commission on two sides, two times. One for selling goods, second for guarantee of your payment. So first important thing, these are the some basic types and clarification of some terms here. But in the entire exercise 1.1, very interesting thing, no formulas are there. Second thing, we are not actual concerned with this type. I am discussing this type because of your basic and clarification of concept. Actual में आपको क्या करना है, as per the question, whatever the calculation we require, we just calculate as per the requirement of question. These are some basic part to clear your concept regarding commission and brokerage. Understood? Now your exercise 1.1, see the question number 1. An agent charges 12% commission on the sales. What does he earn if the total sale amounts to 48,000, and what does the seller get? So in this question, we are given total sales. How much is the total sales? Total sales is 48,000 and the rate of agent's commission is 12%. So first we require agent's commission. See, agent is getting commission on sales. So agent's commission is on total sales into rate. Here we have total sales of 48,000 and what is the rate of commission? 12%. Okay, 480 into 12, it comes to rupees 5,760. So what is the agent's commission? 5,760. And in your question second part, how much amount received by seller? So seller is getting amount after giving commission. So amount received by seller, it comes to total sales minus commission paid. So what is the total sales here? 48,000. Okay. And what is the agent's commission already paid? It is 5,760. It comes to rupees 42,240. So the amount received by seller is 42,240. So here we have total sales, yes, 48,000. Agent is getting commission 12% on sales, 5,760. And amount received by seller, it comes from sales minus commission, 42,240. Understood? Your second question. A salesman receives 3% commission on sales up to 50,000 and 4% commission on sales over 50,000. Find his income on the total sales of rupees 2 lakhs. So in this question, salesman is getting commission on two different amounts. First, we have the total sales. How much total sales is given? Total sales is 2 lakhs rupees and sales over 50,000. 2 lakhs का total sales हुआ है 50,000 से ज्यादा. What is the over 50,000 comes to 1,50,000. Now 3% commission on the sales up to 50 means 3% सिर्फ starting के 50,000 पे मिलेगा. So your first commission 50,000, 3% comes to rupees 1,500. Second, 4% किस पे? Over 50,000. टोटल सेल्स कितना हुआ है? 2 lakhs का. 2 lakhs में से 50,000 फर्स्ट था. So what is the over 50,000? So sales over 50,000 is 1,50,000 and this 4%, 1,50,000 उसका जो 4% अमाउंट है is rupees 6 lakhs. So your required question, what is the total income of salesman? Salesman is receiving commission 2 times. First commission 1500, second commission is rupees 6000, and he is getting total commission of rupees 7500. Understood this concept? Fine. Your next question, question number 3. Miss Saraswati was paid rupees 88,000 as commission on sale of computers at the rate of 12.5%. If the price of computer is 32,000, find how many computer did she sell. So in this question, we are already given total commission, rate of commission, and price of one computer. In this question, we require number of computers sold. So price of one computer 32,000 and the rate of commission on each computer 12.5%. If price of computer 32,000 and 32,000 into 12.5%, and it comes to rupees 4,000. So commission on sale of one computer 4,000 rupees. Then total commission. What is the total commission? 88,000. See, this 88,000 is given in your question. So our required question, number of computers sold. How many computers Miss Saraswati sold? So simple, total commission she received 88,000 and commission on one computer, it is 4,000. So it comes to 22. So Miss Saraswati sold 22 computers. Easy. Your question number 4. Anita is allowed 6.5% commission on the total sales made by her plus a bonus of half 1/2, means bonus of half percent on the sales over 20,000. If her total commission amounts to rupees 3,400, find the sales made by her. So in this question, we are not given the total sales. So first of all, we assume the total sales be rupees X. First, she is getting commission on total sales. What is your total sales? Total sales X and commission on total sales 6.5%. So it comes to 65x upon 1000. Okay. Second is bonus. She is getting bonus on sales over 20,000. Means 20,000 से जितना ज्यादा सेल होगा. How much total sales? X. X minus 20 is the sales over 20. So sales over 20,000 is X minus 20,000. She is getting half percent bonus. X minus 20,000 into half percent. So it comes to X minus 20,000 upon 200. Another one thing. In your question, we are already given the total commission is 3,400. See, what is the total? Total her earnings. She is getting amount from two sides. First, commission. Second, bonus. So, commission 65x upon 1000 plus bonus X minus 20,000 upon 200 is equals to 3,400. By doing the LCM, we got 65x. Here we multiplied by 1000. So 5x minus and 3400 into 1000. 65 plus 5, 70x. What do we do? See, we are doing here 5 into x, 5x, 20 into 5 is 1 lakhs. So 34 lakhs plus 1 lakh. X upon 70 is 50,000. So here we got x 50,000, and what is x here? X is the total sales. So the total sales is rupees 50,000. Understood? Now your question number 6. The income of a broker remains unchanged though the rate of commission is increased from 4% to 5%. Find the percentage reduction in the value of the business. So in this question, no amounts is given, but rate of commission is increased from 4% to 5%. Then also income remains unchanged. So it is very clear कि रेट ऑफ कमीशन इंक्रीज होने के बाद भी अगर इनकम अनचेंज यानी कि सेम रहा, मीन्स जो न्यू बिजनेस हुआ होगा, दैट मीन्स के सेल्स क्या हुआ होगा? रिड्यूस. सो अवर रिक्वायर्ड क्वेश्चन, हाउ मच रिडक्शन इन द वैल्यू ऑफ द बिजनेस? सो इन द क्वेश्चन लेट द इनिशियल बिगिनिंग में बिजनेस कितने का हुआ था? So here for better calculation we assume 100. So let the initial value of the business be rupees 100, and as per the question 4% already commissions are. So original income 100's 4% is 4 rupees. Now new business. So let the new value of the business rupees X, and new income of the broker 5% comes to 5x upon 100. So here we got both the income, original income, new income. As per the question, income of a broker remains unchanged. So as per the given information, what is the new income? 5x upon 100. What is the original income? 4. Okay, so we got x as a 80. So what is x here? X is the new value. So first we find the reduction value. Already business कितना था? 100 rupees का. Next new कितना हो गया? 80 rupees. So अगर आपका बिजनेस 20 rupees में रिड्यूस हुआ, we require in the percentage form percentage reduction in the value of the business. So very simple, if your business 100 rupees to 80 means 100 में 20 rupees reduce हुआ है, so percentage में कितना reduce होगा? 20%. So as per the requirement of question, how much percent reduction in the new business? So 100 से 80 means percentage wise 20% business reduce. Understood? Now your question number 8. Deepak's salary was increased from 4,000 to 5,000. The sales being the same due to reduction in the rate of commission from 3% to 2%. His income remained unchanged. Find his sales. So in this question, salary increase 4,000 to 5,000. Salary increase हो गया, सेल्स सेम था, बट रेट रिड्यूस होने की वजह से उनका इनकम, his income remains unchanged. So as per the requirement of question, we want total sales. So let the sales, the total sales be rupees X, and he is getting original beginning में कितना income था? He is getting salary plus commission. Salary 4,000 plus commission 3% on sales comes to 3x upon 100 is original beginning wala income. Next new income, again same, salary plus commission. Salary is 5,000 plus commission of 2% on X comes to 2x upon 100. As per the given information, his income remained unchanged. It is given income remain unchanged means original income is equals to new income. What is the original income? 4,000 plus 3x upon 100. And what is the new income? 5,000 plus 2x upon 100. By doing the LCM, X comes to, what is X here? X is the total sales, and total sales is rupees 1 lakh. So this is the requirement of question. Sales, total sales find करना था, तो total sales X, but here X is 1 lakh. So your required question is total sales, and total sales is rupees 1 lakh. Understood?